inside Jelly Roll and Bunnie Xo's divorce settlement agreement, property, finances, and more. New details from Jelly Roll and Bunnie Xo's divorce settlement have been revealed. According to court documents obtained by us on Monday, July 20, the exes entered a marital dissolution agreement on Friday, July 17. Jelly Roll, 41, was awarded an absolute divorce on the grounds of irreconcilable differences. Us confirmed last month that the country singer filed to end his marriage to Bunnie Xo, 46, 1 month prior, after he submitted a divorce petition in Tennessee on May 18. Jelly Roll and Bunnie Xo have maintained that the split was amicable.
An unlocked iPhone 14 for just $299? This renewed 128 gig model gives you a vivid OLED display, 5G, and the freedom to choose your carrier. Want to check today's Amazon deal? Scan the QR code now or visit grabdeal.us/6 before it's gone.
The settlement laid out how the musician and the Dumb Blonde podcast host agreed to split their belongings, joint finances, and more. The pair also entered a confidential property settlement. Details about the agreement have been sealed. Keep scrolling for everything to know about Jelly Roll and Bunnie Xo's divorce settlement. The court documents stated that the court costs associated with the pair's divorce was prepaid by Jelly Roll. However, if there is a remaining balance, both Jelly Roll and Bunnie Xo will be taxed equally. The court costs do not include Jelly Roll and Bunnie Xo's attorney's fees. The pair agreed to be responsible for their respective attorney's fees. Jelly Roll and Bunnie entered a confidential property settlement where they have agreed to divide their property prior to the signing, per the docs. Details about their property agreements were not made public. However, the pair agreed to divide their furniture, furnishings, personal property, and effects. They will divide their vehicles, aircraft, and intellectual property rights. According to the agreement, Jelly Roll will give Bunnie Xo a lump sum equitable property division. The amount was not publicly shared. Both Jelly Roll and Bunnie Xo waived their right to alimony. Jelly Roll and Bunnie Xo agreed to divide their bank and institutional costs, trusts and life insurance, as well as their retirement, brokerage, and investment accounts. The exes will also divide their debts. Jelly Roll and Bunnie Xo agreed to pay any deficiency, assessment, or amounts in connection to their income tax returns, including their 2025 tax debt and their 2026 taxes. The docs stated that both Jelly Roll and Bunnie Xo will be responsible for the payment for their own hospitalization and health insurance premiums.